Welcome all to the e-learning class. Myself, Dr. R.N. Lenka, dealing with the paper C9, that is assessment for learning. Today's topic is objective type test और वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण. शिक्षा शिक्षण प्रक्रिया में परीक्षण अतीव जरूरी है. परीक्षण विभिन्न प्रकार के हो सकते हैं और there are a variety of tests used by teachers for testing the learners, and those may be either essay type test, short answer type test or objective type test. What is an objective type test or the meaning of objective type test? An objective type test is one which is free from any subjective bias of the tester or the marker. There is no subjectivity in the objective type test, and it is any written test that requires the examinee to select the correct answer from among one or more several alternatives, or to supply a word or two as per the demand of the test. जनरली वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण का मतलब ये है जिसमें परीक्षार्थी को ऑल्टरनेटिव चुनना पड़ता है बहुविकल्प में से, या फिर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, या कोई वन वर्ड चुनना पड़ता है. Generally, the objective type tests are based on instructional objectives. Hence, we must discuss about the objective-centered test or objective-based test. When the questions are framed with reference to the instructional objectives, such test becomes the objective-based test. It may be either essay type test or objective type test or short answer type test. An essay type test may be objective centered or objective based test, though there is subjectivity in the test. But an objective type test, on the other hand, can always be scored objectively, and there is no place of subjectivity in the objective type test. Let's discuss the characteristics of objective type test या वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण के विशेषताएं. Objective type tests are based on pinpointed, clear and definite answer. दीर्घ उत्तरीय प्रश्न या दीर्घ उत्तरीय परीक्षण में आंसर बहुत लंबा होता है, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव होता है, लेकिन इन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट या वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण में पिन पॉइंटेड आंसर देना पड़ता है, क्लियर आंसर देना पड़ता है और डेफिनेट आंसर देना पड़ता है. They ensure perfect objectivity in testing as well as in scoring. The scoring will not vary from examiner to examiner. Hence, there is saying it is ease of scoring. It is more reliable. It is more valid. That means high reliability and high validity, high objectivity as well as usability of the objective type test. What are different types of objective type test? वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण के प्रकार. विद्यार्थी या शिक्षार्थियों को टेस्ट करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्टिवली बहुविध वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. उनमें से कुछ प्रमुख परीक्षण के प्रकार यहाँ पर चर्चा हम कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, सिंपल रिकल टेस्ट. सिंपल रिकल टेस्ट जिसमें केवल विद्यार्थी या परीक्षार्थी को रिकल करके आंसर करना पड़ता है, आइदर बाय वन वर्ड और बाय वन सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट इज कंप्लीशन टेस्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. इट इज अदरवाइज नोन एज द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. कंप्लीट. मैचिंग टेस्ट. मैचिंग टेस्ट में टू मैच ए कॉलम विथ बी कॉलम. मल्टीपल चॉइस टेस्ट टू फाइंड आउट द बेस्ट आंसर आउट ऑफ मल्टीपल ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. ट्रू फॉल्स टेस्ट ट्रू फॉल्स टेस्ट में tell either the statement is true or false. Next is correct or incorrect test. It is like that, whether the statement is correct or it is incorrect. Best answer test, find out the best answer out of the alternatives. Classification test, to classify orderly things or to categorize the things that is given. These are the different types of objective type test used by teachers for testing the learners. What are the merits or advantages of objective type test? Teachers use a variety of objective type tests for testing the learners, and there are some merits or advantages. वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण के गुण. Objective type test items are suitable for modern educational practices. Generally, essay type test, short answer type test, they are traditional pattern of test. They require more time, more energy, more space also to answer. On the other hand, the objective type test items are suitable for modern perspectives, modern educational practices. They are objective in test administration, they are objective in scoring, and the mood of the examiner in no way affects the process of scoring. Chance elimination is reduced in this test, and it is easy to conduct and easy to scoring. Even computerized scoring is based on objective type test. Other merits or other advantages are objective type tests are free from personal bias or favoritism of the test conductor or the examiner. Students become more interested in answering the questions as there is multiple choice and as there is fill in the blanks, as there is objective answering. Discouraging cramming, no need of cramming the things because there is no chance of essay type or short answer type test or short answers that need cramming. Rather, encourage thinking and observation. These test items are more reliable and more valid, and high reliability, high validity, high objectivity, high usability are the salient features, and it is easy to standardize the test items as well. It is beneficial for computerized scoring. OMR sheets are based on these objective type test. Next is objective type test gives scope for wider sampling of the content, because while selecting the essay type test, there is maximum chance of 3 to 4 questions to be selected out of the content. But while selecting the objective type test, the sampling of the content is wider or comprehensive, and each and every unit can be covered while selecting the questions. This test reduces cramming of the expected questions. They have better content validity as well, greater motivational values for the learners, and there is the economy of time and energy in test administration, in test scoring as well. These are the advantages of objective type test. Other advantages are eliminates extraneous factors or irrelevant factors. The factors like speed of writing, fluency of expression, literary style, good handwriting, neat and clean handwriting. All these factors affect scoring of essay type and short answer type tests. But there is no such effect in objective type test, because it depends on the answers only, not all these extraneous factors. Measure the higher mental processes like understanding, application, analysis, prediction, interpretation. All these things are taken into account while conducting the objective type test. It permits stencil, machine or clerical scoring or computerized scoring. Linguistic ability is not required here. Rather, the objective answer is the essence. लेट्स डिस्कस सम डिसएडवांटेजेस और डिमेरिट्स और लिमिटेशंस वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण के कुछ दोष के बारे में हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं। लिमिटेशन, सीमाएं। नो स्ट्रेस ऑन द एबिलिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मैटर, आज ओनली आंसर टू बी सिलेक्टेड। Pupils do not get scope for making comparisons, no scope for summarization and analytical ability or analytical expression, difficulty in diagnosing the learning difficulties. Objective test items fail to check cramming, and these items fail to test the behavioral, the character building aspect or the personality aspect, expressional aspect. Preparation and use of objective test type test item is also expensive and timely affair. It needs expertise on the part of the teachers also to prepare the objective type test based on the instructional objectives. Next is pupils opt for intellectual guessing. Objective type test में guessing कर सकते हैं बच्चे, guess करके आंसर कर देते हैं, and that may be one of the limitation. Objectives like ability to organize the matter, ability to present the matter logically, ability to coherent fashion, all these aspects cannot be evaluated through objective type tests, whereas it is very easy to evaluate these aspects through essay type test. If a respondent marks all the responses as correct, the result may be misleading because there is every chance of responding by selecting the best answer. The construction of the objective type test is also difficult because there is comprehensively representation of all the units in this test. There is no jumping. Printing cost considerably greater than that of the essay type test as the questions are more in number. They demand more of analysis than synthesis because synthesis is possible in essay type test, whereas it depends on analysis, the objective type test. Guidelines for constructing better objective type test items. शिक्षक को अच्छा ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट आइटम को तैयार करना है तो कुछ ये पॉइंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए कर सकते हैं, जिसके द्वारा ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट आइटम बेहतर बन सकता है। फॉलो द टेबल ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशन और ब्लूप्रिंट। जब वस्तुनिष्ठ प्रश्न का निर्माण करते हैं तब ब्लूप्रिंट को आधार करके या टेबल ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशन को आधार करके बनाना चाहिए। ए थॉरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मैटर, विषय वस्तु को अंडरस्टैंडिंग करके समझ के ही बनाना चाहिए। ए थॉरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पुपिल्स टेस्टेड, विद्यार्थियों को या परीक्षार्थियों को भी अच्छा से जानकारी बनाना चाहिए, उनके लेवल के हिसाब से, रुचि के हिसाब से, उनके पाठ्य वस्तु के हिसाब से। सिलेक्ट प्रॉपर टाइप ऑफ टेस्ट आइटम्स, किस प्रकार के टेस्ट आइटम, विभिन्न प्रकार के टेस्ट आइटम हम चर्चा कर चुके हैं, उनमें से कौन सा आइटम बेहतर है उसी हिसाब से ही उसको चुनना चाहिए। परसिवरेंस और लिटिल क्रिएटिविटी टू बी गिवन टू द लर्नर्स। कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ द पिटफॉल्स इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ आइटम एनालिसिस और आइटम डेवलप, ये जानकारी होना चाहिए टीचर के पास। ईच आइटम मस्ट बी क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस्ड, नो एम्बिग्यूटी ऑफ टेस्ट आइटम्स, कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं होना चाहिए टेस्ट आइटम। टेस्ट फॉर इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स, नॉलेज, आइदर नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग और एप्लीकेशन, ऑल एस्पेक्ट को लेकर टेस्ट निर्माण किया जाना चाहिए। अवॉइड एम्बिगियस स्टेटमेंट्स, क्लियर होना, इंस्ट्रक्शन भी क्लियर होना चाहिए। ईच आइटम शुड बी सब्जेक्ट टू वन और ओनली वन इंटरप्रिटेशन। मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स से दूर रहना चाहिए। Let's summarize today's topic, that is objective type test. We discussed about meaning of objective type test या वस्तुनिष्ठ परीक्षण के अर्थ, उसके विशेषता कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, उसके प्रकार टाइप्स, उसके मेरिट्स लिमिटेशंस और डिमेरिट्स, एंड ऑल्सो गाइडलाइंस फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टेस्ट आइटम्स। बेहतर टेस्ट आइटम को तैयार करने के लिए गाइडलाइंस क्या है उसके बारे में हम लोग चर्चा की। एंड विथ दिस आई थिंक all these points will help you at least to understand the objective type test items and their uses. Thanks.